everyone, this is Mike. It's my handyman services. As you can see, of course, I'm working for Nye Management Corporation for now, till of course I can get back to running my own little small handyman services. Doing one of their units for them, 2-bedroom. This morning I'm going to hardwire the smoke detector. This is the new one. The old one isn't working, so put that one up, the new one. First thing I'm going to do is go here, service panel box, and see if I can find on here among these breakers one that says the smoke detectors. Let's see. Bathroom, receptacles, bathroom, heating, dining room. Nope, we don't know which one, so I'm gonna go living room, bedroom, kitchen, and dining room, heaters, kitchen. I'm gonna start just hitting them to see which one works for the smoke detector. Stay tuned.